friends, as you just saw and heard, I've added a new addition to the RZR, and that is dual exhaust. This is a Borla Pro XS muffler, 2.5 inch in, dual 2.5 out. Kind of made it stealthy by keeping the old plastic cover. Made that little custom mount there to go over the dual exhaust. Still with stock spark arresters. So what I had done is I had found another XP Turbo muffler, and I used that to cannibalize the parts and the extra outlet, and then remove the outlet from my existing muffler, and then I kind of staggered them there to kind of give a little more visually aesthetically pleasing. Pretty easy to do, not a big deal. And out of that cannibalized muffler, I was able to reuse the stock mounts and the springs. My old muffler is over here. And I had previously removed the, you're not going to be able to see anything. Previously removed the catalytic converter anyway, but that way it still remains relatively unscathed. This is a straight through muffler, so there's no baffles or anything like that. You can kind of see up in there the Borla logo, and down in there, Borla. Stainless steel muffler. Sounds pretty mean. I'm not sure how well it's going to show up on video with it just revving here and idle, but just move it around in the driveway, it's like, damn. It's definitely throatier. Definitely. So it's pretty easy to do, not a big deal. And figured I'd highlight that. But hopefully the videos will pick up here. I've had a few camera problems. Don't know why, just the way it is. But I haven't been able to do a video for a while. But anyway, I got that done here within the last week or so. And so I'll hit up the trails this weekend and see how loud she really is. But it sounds mean. Definitely something you got to hear in person. But quick little before and after video here for YouTube. Hope your friends are out there riding, and I'll see you out there. This has been Borla Outdoors. Peace.